Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Macros Cookbook is probably one of the most valuable resources for anyone serious about achieving their health and fitness goals, providing a personalized and flexible approach to meal planning that simplifies the often daunting task of tracking macronutrients, empowering you to make informed food choices that align perfectly with your dietary needs and preferences, ultimately leading to sustainable lifestyle changes and improved well-being. Number 5. Everything Macro Diet Cookbook. This cookbook provides 300 delicious and satisfying recipes. It's designed to help you lose weight and build lean muscle. It emphasizes balancing your macros for optimal results. Each recipe is carefully crafted to support your weight loss and muscle building goals. Discover a wide range of recipes to suit your taste. From savory dishes to sweet treats, it offers something for everyone. This cookbook simplifies meal planning. It provides a variety of options to make healthy eating convenient and enjoyable. It's your guide to a healthier lifestyle. Use it to reach your weight loss and fitness aspirations. This cookbook is part of the Trusted Everything series. You can count on it for comprehensive and reliable information. What we like. It offers a wide variety of recipes to help you lose weight and build muscle. If you're looking for a comprehensive cookbook with many options, this is a great choice. This cookbook is perfect for those who want to achieve both weight loss and muscle gain through a macro-based diet. What people say. There are so many recipes that I'm excited to try with ingredients that are easy to find or that I usually have on hand. I like the overnight oat recipes that are easy to prep and have ready to go for the next day. The recipes are not overcomplicated and there are so many ideas. The recipes are straightforward and most of the ingredients are in my cabinet already. There is an area with duplicate recipes, but that's just a printing error and doesn't deserve a lower rating. Number 4. Macro Cookbook for Beginners. Welcome to the world of macro dieting. It's all about understanding the balance of protein, carbs, and fats in your meals. This cookbook will make it easy. Let's break down the 3 macronutrients. Protein builds muscle, carbs fuel your energy, and healthy fats support overall health. Learn how they work together. This cookbook provides simple, delicious meal plans to help you reach your goals. It's designed to be easy to follow, even for beginners. Each recipe is designed to be simple and delicious, using readily available ingredients. You'll love the variety and the results. We'll show you easy ways to track your progress and stay motivated. Remember, consistency is key to success. With this cookbook as your guide, you'll learn how to burn fat and get lean using the macro diet. Let's get started on your journey to a healthier you. What we like. This cookbook simplifies the macro diet for beginners. If you are new to macro counting and want an easy-to-follow guide, this is it. It's ideal for those starting their fitness journey and want to learn the basics of macro dieting. What people say. Macro counting is all the craze in the diet world. This book was a great help and had lots of food ideas to offer. Very easy to read, calculating your macro needs was also very easy. I love how many recipes there are and I appreciated the recommendations for how to best keep track of everything. As someone who has had years of reading different nutrition diet healthy foods books, I find this book on macros diet easy to understand. It provides the formula for you to figure out how many calories and grams of carbs, protein, and fat you need to consume on a daily basis. This form of eating is not just a diet to start and once you reach your goals, you can go back to your old style of eating. It is a way and style of eating for life. The recipes in the book are easy to make and I have made several within 2 days of receiving this book. Number 3. Macro Diet Cookbook. Are you ready to transform your body and your relationship with food? This cookbook is your guide to achieving your fitness goals without sacrificing your favorite meals. Let's get started. It's all about finding the right balance of protein, carbohydrates, and fats. This cookbook simplifies macro counting, making it easy to track your progress and see results. Discover a world of flavor with 100 easy-to-follow recipes. It's packed with delicious options that fit your macros and keep you energized. It's designed to fit your busy life. This cookbook offers flexibility, allowing you to customize it to your preferences and dietary needs. It's more than just weight loss. It's about feeling your best. This cookbook helps you build muscle and boost your energy levels naturally. It's your comprehensive guide to achieving your fitness goals. With this cookbook, you'll learn how to eat delicious food while reaching your ideal physique. What we like. It focuses on maximizing fat loss, energy, and muscle building. If you need a boost in energy and want to build muscle while losing fat, this is for you. This is perfect for those who want to optimize their body composition. What people say. Thorough information on the wise house to tracking macros. I love how the recipes are based on a single serving. It makes it so you don't have to calculate or guesstimate when getting a serving size. This book helped me understand how to calculate my macros and did a deep dive on why each macro is important. The recipes are realistic. There are no crazy ingredients that are hard to find. Number 2. Ultimate Macro Diet Cookbook. Welcome to the world of macro counting. This cookbook will guide you through the basics of macronutrients and provide you with 1,000 delicious recipes to help you achieve your fitness goals. Learn about the 3 macronutrients: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. It's essential to understand their roles in your body and how to balance them for optimal results. This cookbook is packed with 1,000 recipes designed to fit various macro targets. You'll find options for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, ensuring variety and satisfaction. Discover how the right balance of macros can help your body burn stubborn fat efficiently. It's about making sustainable changes to your diet. This cookbook will also show you how to use macros to support muscle growth. It's a powerful tool for building lean muscle mass. Let's dive into some sample recipes. You'll see how simple it is to create delicious and macro-friendly meals. This cookbook simplifies meal planning, making it easy to track your macros and stay on track with your goals. It's all about making healthy eating convenient. Even if you're new to macro counting, this cookbook makes it easy to understand and implement. It's designed to be your complete guide. What we like. It provides a massive collection of macro-friendly recipes. If you want a huge variety of recipes to keep your diet interesting, this is the one. It's perfect for those who want a wide range of meal options to support their macro goals. What people say. Good recipes. Pictures are in black and white. Good information about macro diet. This book has good recipes for macros that don't require a ton of ingredients. This cookbook was amazing, and I can't wait to try out more recipes. There's a lot of recipes here and I love how they explained the science behind the diet at the beginning. My favorite section is the smoothies. I think the chai banana is my favorite for now. Number 1. Macro-friendly cookbook. Are you a busy mom looking for healthy and delicious meals? This cookbook is designed to help you create macro-friendly recipes that fit your busy lifestyle. It's filled with quick and easy recipes that won't take up too much of your precious time. You'll find plenty of options for weeknight dinners and quick lunches. Each recipe is carefully designed to help you manage your macros. It makes healthy eating simple and convenient for the whole family. This cookbook includes a variety of recipes that the whole family will love. Say goodbye to picky eaters and hello to happy mealtimes. The instructions are clear, concise, and easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. You'll be whipping up delicious meals in no time. This cookbook is your go-to resource for creating healthy and delicious meals that fit your busy lifestyle. Start cooking today and enjoy. What we like. This cookbook caters specifically to busy moms with quick and easy recipes. If you're a busy mom who needs simple, macro-friendly meals, this is your solution. It's designed for those who need convenient and healthy options that fit into a busy lifestyle. What people say. The meals are super easy to make. The recipes are delicious, the ingredients are real things I can find at my local grocery store, and Candace breaks down the macros so I can log them easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.